This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about taco racks, specifically these taco rack stands. And we have a few different styles here to show you. We have a quattro that holds 4 or can be flipped to hold 3. A great little duo here that you can see is a wire outline style, or the triple in the back, which is a solid stainless steel sheet that's folded into a great little plate that can hold 3, or if it's flipped, 4 tacos. There's a variety of these different stands available between the various styles, whether you want to go with one of the wire ones or one of those solid stainless steels that hold anywhere from a single to up to 5 tacos. And many of them can be flipped over to hold varying amounts. These are easy to use, making them a really versatile item to have on hand, and they hold those shells upright and open, for making them easy to load and easy to plate. So you've got these great modern wire or solid stainless steel designs that are not only attractive but also durable. They're going to resist warping and dents during high volume use, so they're perfect for using in commercial kitchen environments. They can be used with either hard or soft shell tacos, and they keep those tacos upright and the fillings where they should be, inside your delicious tacos. So they're perfect for taco stands, shops, restaurants, caterers, or just at home if, like so many of us, Tuesday night is taco night.